I'll say one thing. I didn't do this.
No, was not him. It would be Nate.
Yeah, Dooders, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation. Good morning, Dooders. We are going drifting. I actually watched Britney last night, but apparently not very well. Okay, guys, we made it out to OMC again. We've got Lane and Sam over here. Lex is driving. We're here, we're driving. Tightened up the rack on old Britney. That's it. That's all I've done. I checked some bushings. We don't know what the hop is, but that's the butt. I didn't want to figure it out. So anyway, we're gonna go maybe get some laps with Lane, or with Lex. But again, just feeling out the car. It's a fun track, so now I know it. Do a little bit better, and maybe I can get some in-car, and you guys can see me struggling. This is the fun part, though, actually. Because of my trailer, I have to pet detective it in. Corvette life. Oh, the battery died? Let's see. Come on. Come on. Hey, Lane! Lane!
What's up, mate?
You got a jump pack?
A what?
A jump pack?
Yes, I do. I got you.
Nice, he's got us. I gotta put that battery disconnect in, which means I gotta trick Lane into doing it because it's wiring. Try it. It's the size of that jump pack and it's not able to do anything for me. No battery.
The mother Corvette's giving birth.
No bueno. Okay guys, so it's not charging. There is some draw. I think there's some party lights or something that I've disconnected the main lights. I don't know what it is, but it's always happening. That's why I have that painless wiring thing that now I gotta do. But I charged it last night. We'll find some jumper cables and then it'll work. Well, big bummer. All right, dudes, we got our spacers on, car's off, she's warmed up. We'll do a grade lap and then we'll send it, see how we're feeling. Hopefully we get some good drifts in. I mean, we're gonna go shred. I don't even care what it looks like. I'm gonna have some fun. It's late though. Let me tell you how I got myself into this situation. Basically, what happened is I'm an idiot. So I was getting comfortable, and I was getting a little too comfortable, and Lex was out on track, and I was trying to catch up to him to try to get in some tandies. I'm paying attention to where he's at, not so much where I'm at. I thought I was at the end of the track at just the last turn before shutdown. So I was like, let me save some tires. And so I kind of just shut down, and then I realized it's the big bank. My man Zach comes flying in with the drone, and the pressure to do something cool came in, and I clutch kicked. I was a little low on the bank, hit the pothole directly. The car got completely disrupted, and I straight right into the tire wall. But good news, guys, the bash bar from the last build video came in clutch. Didn't ruin the car completely, but it did end our day. It was an awesome day. It had to happen at some point, and I'm just glad it was recorded so you guys got to see it.
Really went through, huh?
I'll say one thing. I didn't do this.
No, was not him. Oh, buddy had the bash bar. That's why I almost got hit with a tire. That's what it is.
Either.
I knew I was going to need my elbow pad.
Yeah, I was wondering why he had the elbow pad on. Now I know. Wow. Look at this guy. Look at this strong muscle guy over here. Dead battery. Already dead battery. Don't know why. I think Nate will explain that soon.
People keep yelling this is not a parking spot, but I used it. I was trying to catch up to him actually. So I did a boo-boo. And that boo-boo, yes sir! And we're being towed out of the tires. right now. So, not ideal. Battery died, otherwise I could drive out.
There you go. I got it, Nate. Don't you worry. Clear.
So this thing's coming actually to the shop and getting some love. In fact, they say it's crab walking right now. It does look like it's towed out. This tire looks like it's towed out a little bit more, and that's towed in. Which way are you crabbing as opposed?
Dude, I don't even know yet. I've done 2 laps.
Oh, okay. A quick fix would be we go in there, adjust an arm, and maybe one of those bolts on the lower control arm is loose and twisted.
Yeah.
But when you find out, we'll go through it.
Okay.
All right, go get some laps. Going for a ride along with Lex. All right, dudes, loading up. As you guys saw, I got into the tires, but felt really good. Got comfortable at the track, which is how this happened. Plus, I knew the drone was right behind me, so I was trying to be cute. But yeah, we're done. It's a good day overall. Went for a ride with Lex. He's a little freaking ripper. Got a lot of practice I need, and I definitely need angle. That's 99% of the problem right now, is I'm having to learn to police myself and only go out to so far of an angle, which is not where I've practiced to be and where my body feels it at. We got some radiator things, but it's not leaking. The bash bar worked sweet, so good day. Aside from the tires, which I was not even mad at all. I was like, oh man, finally I did this. So I can now know what it is and not do it again. And thanks to these guys. Too bad this guy couldn't get his thing, but I did get to go ride along with him. So
Oh yeah.
that was good. He's gonna be bringing his car to the shop with what he's got. He's doing amazing, but with a car that's purpose built, and he'll just be able to go to the next level. So we're gonna bring that over there, get some wise fab, some engine safety stuff, and fire safety stuff. We'll get his car done over the next month or so, depending on their eagerness to get it done. And we'll be back out here. I have to fix minor things, and maybe next time we'll have Tiffany. So, or one of the tracks. So that'll
I'm
be
really
awesome.
looking forward to that.
Good driving.
Yep.
Good being you.
Yeah.
And I can be a better me, and I will, I promise you guys. She still drives good. So just the radiator and the mount and the bumper. For what I did, it was definitely could have been worse situation. So we made out like bandits. Had a drone there, so I was like, oh, let me do something cool. And I did. So you guys are welcome. Just know I deliver for you.